Alright.
Sorry, what's that mean?
What, spiked
Holy
it?
fuck, don't your fucking armpits, man.
Yeah, that means it's really loud.
Dude, yo, go put on some deodorant quick times, bud.
Just kidding. I showered
Okay, do
today.
your intro, yo, come on.
Alright. Hey guys, welcome to a special video. This video is going to be trying to explode the fuck out of this pumpkin. And I got my two best friends here. Meet Bryce and Brody. Say hi, guys.
Hey, too bad Tim couldn't come.
Yeah, fuck Tim. Fuck Tim.
If you're seeing this, Tim, fuck you.
When this video uploads, I'm going to fucking share this to you.
Fucking bitch.
Anyways, that's not the point of the video. The point of this video is trying to make this thing explode. Now, if this thing doesn't explode,
We're fucked.
we're gonna wait until tomorrow morning. I'm gonna get more elastics, and we're gonna make this thing fucking explode with a sledgehammer.
Not me.
You are. This is video proof. Oh fucking Lord!
Oh, it's already
Hey,
marking.
okay, I'm sorry.
No, calm the bitch.
No, come on, dude.
Oh, this does help.
I'm hurt.
I know.
I can't, fucking
This
hurt my
helps,
nipple.
eh?
Alright.
What?
This does this and this helps.
Does it?
Yeah.
Now you pinch your mouth.
Jesus Christ!
Don't strand the poop pipe. That's a poop pipe.
I hope these don't snap if they're too small.
The small ones are gonna snap, yo. It's like, holy fuck, are you retarded?
Alright.
First try. Ready?
Oh, you got the nice big one.
Moves the whole
Christ.
fucking pumpkin and fucks the whole thing up.
Wait, it's not very helping.
Well, what do you want me to do? There's two guys, one pumpkin.
Oh, finger. Two guys on pumpkin.
Okay, grab that one. Grab that side. I got this one.
You seen that porn video, dude? When no, it's an actual porn video, dude.
Okay, cut that out.
The guy cuts a hole in the pumpkin, and the girl gives him a fucking hand job in the pumpkin.
Oh, wonderful.
How do you know that?
Cause I watched it.
Why was that suggested?
I don't know. It was just up on Pornhub.
And yes, I know about suggestions on it.
Ow!
Quit being a little bitch. You work
Oh,
rebar.
why'd you stick your tongue out like that?
Don't worry about it. My lips are dry.
Fuck! It's gonna blow. It's gonna blow. No, I'm just kidding.
Could you imagine? Here, just
Stretch that out. Nice and good.
I
look.
already see it, like,
No, you don't.
Fucking lying.
You're such
fucking
full of
way.
shit.
That's bullshit.
You should got like fucking 5 of these bags, right?
Yeah.
There was only 3.
You're gonna have to.
Left on my
You're gonna have to
store.
skip some or DoorDash some quick times.
DoorDash. Oh, just so you know, once this thing pops, and then it's gonna hit the glass, it's gonna make a loud noise. Just so you know.
Yeah. Why did we put it on the fucking glass table, Dalton?
What other table do you see around here?
I don't know. Fucking put it on the ground or something.
Could use your pool table.
Dayton's poo table.
Pool table.
Pool table.
His
Takes a
poo
shit
table.
on it.
No, there should be enough elastics. I think.
We'll see. We'll see.
It'll work a lot better.
pinch it.
Go like this. Go like this.
It's on my head.
Go like this. Hey, like this. Go like this.
You guys are so fucking nuts.
Right there, dude.
Go like this. Go like
I
this.
can't.
I need some
I'm
insurance.
not fucking doing that, dude. Fuck off.
Come on, buddy. We got this. Get the other side. Here.
Fuck me.
Fuck!
Fuck, that was a good one.
That was.
Pinch it. Pinch it.
No.
Pinch it.
Here's another one. I got another
Dude,
one.
I'm scared to do these little ones now, dude. Fuck.
I got another
No,
one.
you gotta be worried about the thick ones.
That sounded like Animal Crossing. This guy, doesn't it? See, like what the fuck? What the fuck? Turn it on this way. This.
Water on you? With your hands off? No,
Just fake it.
no, just like cut those off.
Oh, actually, that's a good idea. I thought you were just going to say, like, fake the video and just cut it. Still hold it
Yeah.
You got this shit, dude.
There's no fucking way. Ow. Let's keep going.
Hold on, bro.
Fuck, get fucked.
Yeah, these ones aren't going on, bro.
Fuck no. So the small ones there, and let's see if we can.
You're pulling a real Bryce back in 2015.
Yeah.
Yep. When I was beating the shit out of Brody.
Fuck you.
Oh, I went to shoot at you and I hit myself. Then we'll happily.
Oh, fuck!
We'll happily take it. Why'd you make that noise, bro? Dude, I'm actually scared you doing that. You're gonna put pressure on that fucking ting.
Cat king.
I'll hold it.
Just kidding. I'm gonna leave it and go for it.
There we go.
Maybe we'll get a bunch of simps. Oh no, it's coming back up.
Oh no, it's coming back up.
It's coming back for our ass.
Assistance, please. Okay, that one's on.
I need my rebar gloves. And I won't feel fucking good.
Fucking
right on the
cunt!
wrist, right on the wrist, right on the wrist, right on the wrist.
Oh, fuck. That's not working. Yes, it will. This one. Let's do it. This wasn't the one we had. It was way thicker.
That's a good idea, actually.
The snap.
Mm-hmm.
This is stressing me out.
You want to flip it upside down? See if that helps?
What?
So maybe this side's too thick, so what if we get on the other side? Down into it.
Oh, Bryce, I hope this doesn't hit me. Don't.
Don't grab that. Don't.
Actually, that was not bad.
Here, let's try.
What are you doing?
Maybe if we get it on an
Yeah,
angle.
now it's gonna shoot this way.
No. Just enough.
No,
Here,
it's not
come on.
slippery enough.
You want to oil it up?
We could.
Brody. Oh, what the fuck?
Here, on this side.
Leave this
What is this fucking gay, dude?
Oh, yeah, dude. That's what I like.
Okay, I
Dude,
can't.
you know what? No, stop. You know what actually will make me mad? If it gets into the last bands and it comes flying back up.
Well, it's already going to.
Because what goes up must come down.
What goes up must come down?
Yep.
Oh, I thought you said...
You thought I said fuckily?
Yeah, I thought you said it weird.
Nice and lubed up.
Okay, I need it was on the corner, dude. Now that we're... Well, the thing is, now that we're here, if we were to... Even if we did have a watermelon, and we had to take this off, it'll all just bungle up.
Could have got a pineapple.
Here.
Halloween and it's pineapples.
Assistance.
It's good.
One of us are gonna get smoked.
What?
One of us are gonna get smoked.
Yeah.
I have a feeling it's gonna be me.
Most likely.
Assistance.
It's just been a bad fucking week.
Ready? Get yours to end. I got mine.
Freaking wrapped nicely.
Assistance.
Too slippery?
Yes. Hey guys! Welcome back. So, it's a few weeks later, because we ran out of lots of bands before. So now we are back with a special guest, Jordan. You may know him as KapisGaming. Go subscribe, go follow. And we're going to continue this. And this is our last chance. If it doesn't work, my buddy Bryce brought his AR to fucking unload on it. So without further ado, let's get right into it. That was nasty. I know it is. Oh, come on. Okay.
Look at the boys.
The boys.
Boys, yo.
Hey, these are actually pretty plasticky. Walmart. Sponsor us.
We're not sponsored.
Walmart's probably the hardest to get sponsored by.
Two.
Walmart
This.
or McDonald's.
Got this?
You want to do two at once? Oh.
Oh, yeah, that's easier, bro.
Oh, dude, that's being brutal.
Trying three? Oh, fuck, dude.
Oh, shit.
Oh, God.
Two. Jordan, grab that in.
Here. Let's get this butter.
X.
Oh.
Put it down more.
Oh,
Put it
no.
down more. There we go.
Okay,
Fuck,
here we go. Five.
No,
Five.
keep going, keep going.
Okay, we got it. Ready?
4 here. 5 big ones.
Yeah, no.
No.
Yeah, that's gonna work.
No, it was
The
almost.
tension was crazy, dude.
We are experienced. This is 4. Oh, yeah.
Hey, 4's mad much, boy.
Yeah. I think 4 is the max we can go.
I think it's like 10 here.
Oh, yeah.
Or
That's
8.
fucking go.
I think this is 8.
Dude, this is actually scary now. We have so much.
This is 8.
Okay, I got 2. You got 2?
Yeah, sure.
put them together with big wings. We're all in. Oh god, this is so gay, dude. Okay, stop. You're going to like let go and just snap me in the chest. Oh, it's like you have to rebar.
Holy.
That is actually so tight now.
Brutal.
Oh my fuck. 2-2?
Okay, I got 4.
2-2. 2-2.
Do 4, guys.
1, 2,
That's what we're doing.
Manageable.
5.
4 is literally the max.
5 you can't do.
Yes, you can.
Well, with the small ones maybe.
6 now.
Oh, dude, that's.
Oh my.
My finger.
Here, show the camera. Anyways.
You can see it like fucking pushing in, dude.
Yeah.
Look at that, Jordan.
Could you imagine how much pressure that is right now?
Yeah.
Easy. Fucking easy. 2 is.
It is actually like if you look at the side, this end is so divot, it is fucked up.
That scared me out of that. Pumpkin, bro.
They're not even wearing like eye protection. They're
Fuck
just
no.
going bold.
We are professionals, by the way.
Fuck it.
We're professionals. Do not do this. Try this at home.
You got 2?
Yeah, I got 2.
Want to do those ones?
Yeah, I got
You want to upload this to TikTok?
4. What are you doing?
She's recording us, even though we're being recorded. That's some.
Propaganda. Propaganda. There we go.
Oh my god. Oh, you're going to give us clout?
Oh, you guys are fucked.
Fuck that. Oh, look at it squish, dude. No way. Oh, we're so fucked.
That bitch gonna go
Alright,
soon,
ready?
bro.
I got 2.
That motherfucker can go. If it doesn't go, I'll be pissed.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna be so mad because this is 5 bags. 5 bags.
Plus the ones we had.
Think we could
Yep.
try 5?
There's more on your computer desk, actually.
Yeah.
Those are the small ones though. I
Those will
picked
still
up.
be
We'll
fine.
try, but that'll fucking piss me off with the snapping.
I can see you can squish, dude.
Oh
Dude,
shit.
now it's. Oh.
That's what I mean, right? Oh.
Right there.
Okay, let's go, Jordan.
Shit, dude. Oh, you got
Oh, you guys are nuts.
Fuck, that was like 6,
Yeah.
7. Oh my god.
You know, we'll just do 2.
When we get to the small ones, we can probably do a lot more. Holy fuck, I'm scared, dude. I'm terrified, dude.
That motherfucker go pop like a motherfucker.
Nice
I got,
one.
like 3
Here,
big
here, I
ones.
got 2
Oh,
here.
you got some?
3?
I got 2.
Big ones. These are the big ones?
Big ones and then 1 small guy.
Oh, it's... Oh, let's go. Oh, dude. Holy fuck.
One of us
That motherfucker get fucking shot.
One of us are getting hit.
Oh yeah, one of us are fucked.
It looks like it's edging
I
this
will
way.
take it for everyone. If it's anyone and it has to choose, I choose me. I shall die on my channel.
I shall die.
Yo, if you come down to it, you can see like the elastics.
Oh, that's fucked.
You
That's
can see elastics.
Oh, it's gonna explode right here.
Oh!
That's sick, dude. Look at that.
Look at that shit. Are we recording? I swear to God. Recording? We're recording.
Are you eating them raw?
Way better coach.
Yeah.
Shit.
Oh shit, what
I
I
wasn't
heard.
recording.
Hold on, no, what does it taste like, bro?
I wasn't recording
What does it
it.
taste like?
Ew. Ew.
That shit bossed him.
That's like perfect ripped circle, dude.
That is a pretty good. Look at
You guys ready to take it outside and shoot it?
Yeah.
Alright. We'll be right back. It's just bouncing off.
No, it's not. It's going through. Let me try a full auto here.
That's loud.
So let's go see the quick damage real quick. Oh, they just stuck in. They didn't even go through, dude. Hey, they didn't even go through. They just punctured.
Yeah.
Oh, brutal, dude. All right, full auto. So which one's a full auto again? All the way back? Or all the way
Yeah,
forward?
switch it all the way back. There you go. Now it's
That's
full
full.
auto. Whoa, cover your eyes.
Yeah, I did.
Careful, make sure you're not going crazy. Watch out. Watch your eyes, guys.
Am I hitting it?
Yeah.
That one was kind of scary.
Yeah, that's
Knocking the other BBs out.
Yeah, I seen that. I see that.
okay.
Full auto?
Yeah.
Let's see. Out. You're out.
I don't know what I'm doing, Dalton. I'm just.
No, we're just vlogging us, our conversations.
Just
That's what we're
vlogging
doing right now. Hi. Hey guys, DJHTT. And today, we're shooting the fuck out of a
Brody.
pumpkin that's already broken.
So Mag goes out this. It goes in this way. Okay. You just gotta hear this way. Okay. $2,500.
2,500.
Yeah.
Candles, eh?